Welcome to Premcrete Limited. We're a British manufacturer specialising in the design and supply of structural waterproofing, gas protection and ground heat protection solutions. We've been established for over 40 years and over the past 15 years been heavily involved in major basement construction projects throughout the UK. I'm 𝐏𝐫𝐞𝐦𝐜, the Business Development Director, and I've been at the forefront of many of these major schemes over the past 10 to 15 years. Over the past couple of months, I've been in contact with a number of structural engineers and architects to gain their feedback on some of the useful tools we're looking to implement. A key piece of feedback that I gained was that whilst there's many generic details readily available on some of the major manufacturers' websites, the downfall can be that early stage technical support as things start to develop more in detail. That is exactly where we're looking to come in. We're looking to provide early stage support, whether it's REBA Stage 2 or REBA Stage 3, and provide you with what you need with a one-on-one level of service from our technical team. As a company, our route to market has been primarily supporting the ground workers. Many schemes have been driven through by a CDP, a contractor's design portion type contract in relation to the waterproofing design. As a result, that's where we positioned ourselves as a specialist who can take on design liability as covered under our professional indemnity insurance, which we carry to a level of 10 million. We're a CSSW qualified designer, therefore making sure that we're fully compliant, meeting the competence requirements, which are ever more present today in the Building Safety Act. As we've been very much focusing at the end of the journey of design with the ground workers, due to the changes of the Building Safety Act, we're now focusing our attention a lot more on you as the specifiers. If you're a structural engineer or an architect, then we're on a mission to make your life easier. Whilst there's many manufacturers out there who you may have defaulted to in terms of specification for waterproofing and gas protection solutions, we want to come in with some useful tools to help you really understand what waterproofing is all about. As a result, over the next few months, we're going to be issuing a number of free tools, which we're going to give tutorials to you. Feel free to follow us on social media, on our website where we'll be making these tools available.